Hey everyone, it's me, Chris from Body Nova Fitness Coaching, and we're here today. We're going to talk about tricep extensions with the barbell. Okay, I personally usually do them with dumbbells because I need finer control over my movements because I was very reckless with this when I was younger and I was doing, heavy weights and not really planning it out. I was just doing what I can do and not thinking I would live long enough to have elbow pain. But anyway, when I use the barbell, okay, most of the bar, of course, we usually go for the easy, well, it's called an easy curl bar, but it was really originally made for tricep extensions, okay. Most people will go inside with the grip here, and there's nothing wrong with that. I use a wider grip because I have less pain with a wider grip. With that being said, you're doing the tricep extensions, and basically, when you're using the bar, it's one path. So I'm right here and I'm straightening out my arm. I'm right here, going right here, and I'm straightening out my arm. Now, there's a bunch of ways I can do it. I can go to the nose, I can, a little bit further down on the face, or I can go up more to the head. But as long as I'm lying, it's all a slightly different version of the same exercise. Oh yeah, I can also come way down to the chin, but that starts to get what they call a California press because you almost have to bench press and then before you do the tricep extension, okay? So I just lower it down and I try to keep this up, with my upper arm, keep that still and only move the lower arm as I'm extending back out, okay? Some people will find it easier, like I have to have my elbows a little bit out to release some tension on my triceps. Some people can bring them in and that's fine, but it works easier for me to have them out. So as long as I'm not causing weird torque, I still have my elbows pointed upwards toward the ceiling somewhat, you'll be okay. But all of this applies. It doesn't matter if you're doing an incline tricep extension or a decline tricep extension or a flat. The overhead tricep extension is slightly different, and I will do a separate video for that. But just the main thing is keeping those elbows up straight toward the ceiling, and you're only trying to move the lower arm. You're not trying to move the upper arm, okay? And you're going and you straighten out the arm. You don't have to be 100% straightened out to where you feel the tension on your joint. You just stop about 97, 98, where you can just feel that on your triceps.